Hey scrappers, Tom here, and today we're going to talk about titanium. Now titanium is not an alloy, it's a element, right? Comes from the earth, and it's used in all types of applications. Now believe it or not, titanium is a substitute for aluminum, and sometimes aluminum is a substitute for titanium, but there are real differences in them. Both of them are lighter metals. Both of them, this is not a very heavy piece, only about 15, 16 pounds. Imagine if this was a piece of solid steel, this piece of solid steel would probably weigh 50 pounds. Now this piece of titanium, when we look at this, this is a bar stock from a clean out, right? And this is generally going to be stuff that you find at machine shops that deal with a couple of different industries. One could be the aerospace industry. A lot of titanium is used in things like airplanes, rockets, different types of weapons, different type of military applications. The reason it's light and it's strong, titanium's a very strong metal, and it can also take a lot of extreme heat, which is why they use it. Another place that you may find titanium, the bicycle industry. Believe it or not, the road bikes, they want them light and they want them strong. So titanium can be a light and strong metal. Now it will cost a lot more money for that bike because titanium generally is worth more money than aluminum. Now when it comes to different scraps for titanium, what I've seen over the years is it really not something that you're going to see every day. But if you do see titanium, a couple of ways to know that you found it. This piece just worked out nice. This was handwritten, so I wouldn't really look at this, but this was stamped, which means at the factory it was stamped. So you can see TI right here, titanium. Now sometimes it'll have the actual grade on it, but when you see stampings like this, it just makes it much easier for you to know that it's actually titanium, and then you can sell it to your scrapyard. Now titanium, again, different than aluminum, right? Not something that I see or buy very often, nor do I go out of my way to really aggressively bid it, because you can buy other things like aluminum or sell other things like aluminum much easier than titanium and generally have the same profit margin. Now profit margins and pricing on titaniums can always range, but it's generally always a rule of thumb that it's better than aluminum, it's better than stainless, but again, it all depends on supply and demand at the time. So this is a titanium bar stock. It could come in turnings, rods, other types of sheets. You could have it in those bicycles, you could have it in the airline and the aviation industry. So if you ever have other questions, please let the team here at iScrap know, and we'll document and make a video on it.